Stop fucking around, Ray. We seen your record. We know about that girl in Lubbock.
Yeah, charges were dropped. I never raped nobody.
I want to know, Ray. I want to know the exact story, what you did to them.
You have to ask somebody else.
I want to know what they said. I want to know what my wife said. I want to know what my daughter said. I want to know how you killed them. And I want to know if they knew what was happening to them. I want to know what they felt. I want to know if they hurt. Answer me! Answer me! Answer me, you fucking bastard!